I discuss these difficult words with you because I thought that you should not face any problems or confusions while going through the lesson or while reading this lesson. Now, we will turn down to other important points of this lessons. The fourth point and important point is Krishna's efforts for shaping Shiva. कि भाई कृष्णा ने शिवा को बनाने के लिए क्या क्या किया, किस तरह के मदद शिवा को उन्होंने पहुंचाई। तो सबसे पहले जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि स्कूल की फीस भरा, और फीस सिर्फ एक ही साल की नहीं भरा, तो हर साल वो शिवा की फीस भरते रहते था। और 10th पास होने के बाद में जब 12 में शिवा गया तब भी उसकी फीस कृष्णा विद्यावासा ने ही भरी। 12 पास होने के बाद में he was Krishna who suggested Shiva to opt the engineering discipline for the further education. There was also confusion whether to choose mechanical engineering or computer science, because in those days there were great opportunities in mechanical engineering. But even though Krishna suggested Shiva to take admission in computer science, and he was Krishna who signed on the admission form of Shiva as a guardian. He was not only a guardian but also he paid the entire fees of entire engineering of Shiva. He is the man who helped a lot to Krishna for getting complete his engineering degree. इस तरह से कृष्णा शिवा जब 10th क्लास में था तभी से कृष्णा ने शिवा को अपने साथ इंग्लिश में बात करने के लिए कंपल्सन किया। उसके बाद में कंटिन्यूअसली हर कदम पे, हर मोड़ पे शिवा के लाइफ के वो खड़ा रहा, एज ए गाइड, एज ए अंकल, एज ए मेंटर और एज ए गार्डियन करके। और शिवा अंडर हिज गाइडेंस आगे बढ़ते रहा। लेकिन इस दौरान इंजीनियरिंग करते समय और 12वीं करते समय शिवा ने कई सारे ऐसे काम किए, अपनी फीस के लिए नहीं तो अपने फैमिली को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। जैसे कि जब वो 12th क्लास में था तब उनके पिताजी का काम बंद हो गया, तो उन्होंने एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की दुकान में कॉलेज होने के बाद देर रात तक के एज ए सेल्समैन का काम किया। उसके बाद में when he came into engineering, he left the job of salesman and started to repair the computers in one of the electronic shops, and that is why he used to absent in the class. When he was absent and coming to the class, his classmates were laughing at him. His teacher rebuked him, scolding him, but he was helpless to explain his problems. But still he continued his education and he completed his graduation under the guidance of Krishna Vidyavasa with very good score. Now, let us discuss some important questions on the third portion or the story that I told you. Among the important questions, the first question is this: how much money need to Shiva for his admission in school? So I already told you 15,000 rupees needed to Shiva for his admission in school. The key word is 15,000 rupees. Second question is, what did Shiva's mother do to get his admission in Maruti Vidyalaya? Like other parents, Shiva's mother was also decided to take him admission in good school, that is Maruti Vidyalaya, and that is why she sold her jewelry, entire jewelry, for his admission, right? So the key word is he the key sentence is Shiva's mother sold her jewelry to get him admission in Maruti Vidyalaya. Then what kind of works Shiva was doing to support his family? So first, as you know, he is selling newspaper in hundreds of houses. Then when he was in 12th class, then he worked as a salesman late at night in one of the electronic shop. Then when he was in graduation, he was working of repairing the computer works. Then next question is, what kind of work Shiva was doing to support his family? The first work is he was selling newspaper in hundreds of houses. Second, when he was 12, he was working as a salesman in one of the electronic shop. When he was in the graduation, he was working as a repairman in one of the electronic shop to computers. So these were work that Shiva was done to support his family. The next question is, state the hard work of Shiva's family to get money. तो इसका आंसर रहेगा कि in order to get money, Shiva's father, Mr. Nagendra, was bringing flowers from the market. His mother was stringing the flowers and making garlands. In the evening, Shiva and his sister Yogeshwari were going to the square and paddling the garlands. Okay. The key points of this question is bringing of flowers by Shiva's father, stringing the flowers and making garlands by Shiva's mother, Shiva and Yogeshwari, his elder sister, paddling the garlands in square The next question is, how did Krishna Vidyabhasa help to Shiva? The first help that Krishna offered to Shiva is that he paid his school fee. Then he continued to pay his fees. He taught him how to communicate in English. He guided him to opt the science stream. Then he remained his mentor and guide in his graduation, Shiva's graduation. So this kind of help Krishna was given to Shiva. Then state any two qualities of Shiva. So as you know, Shiva is a very hard worker and intellectual boy. So these are the two qualities prominently we can explain, or we can tell that he is a hard worker and intellectual. Then what advice was given by mother to Shiva? The answer is that Shiva's mother advised him, you must not indulge in anything with other people's money. Enjoy yourself when you can afford it. Two sentences, dear students, you must keep in mind. Number one, you must not indulge in anything with other people's money. Second, enjoy yourself when you can afford it or when you can have the money. लास्ट के दो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है, उनमें से 9th क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज साइन्ड ऑन द एडमिशन फॉर्म ऑफ शिवा एज ए गार्डियन। तो आपको मालूम है कि जब शिवा ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा था या ग्रेजुएशन करने के लिए एडमिशन ले रहा था, so he was Krishna who signed on his admission form as a guardian. So you should know the name Krishna Vidyabhasa. Okay. And the last question is, in which field Shiva was taken admission in graduation? तो आपको मालूम है कि शिवा was confused to take admission either to mechanical engineering or to computer engineering, but his uncle Krishna Vidyabhasa strongly advised him to take admission in computer engineering, and he also signed on the admission form while taking admission in this stream, right? So these were the important questions, and the answers along with their keywords are the key sentences of the answers I explained to you. So you listen this video very carefully. I explained you very silently in order to make you understand the story of this lesson nicely. So dear students, you go through this video, listen, then again you read the lesson along with hard works. So I am damn sure that you will understand this start portion quite nicely. Thank you.